Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Google Chat on your device or in a browser and sign into the account you want to change. Once done, navigate straight to Settings via the gear icon or the three-dot menu. This is where notification controls live. Make sure notifications are enabled at the system level first, because app-level changes won't take effect otherwise. Now, locate the Notifications section. We're going to change the sound itself next, so stay in Notifications and select the conversation or general. Next, decide whether you want a global chat sound or a specific tone for one conversation. Pick messages for every chat or tap an individual conversation settings. Then tap Sound to open your device's sound picker. On Android, you'll see system ringtones, and on iOS, you'll see available tones. If you prefer a custom audio file, allow chat or your device to access storage, then choose the file. Take a moment to preview the tone so you know how it will sound in real use. Finally, save your selection, either tap Save, back out, or the change applies automatically depending on platform. Once done, send a test message or ask a colleague to ping you so you can confirm the sound. If you don't hear anything, check System Do Not Disturb, volume levels, and app notification permissions. These are the usual culprits. Make sure to restart the app or the device, and clear the app cache if problems persist. That often resolves lingering audio or permission glitches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.